So this video is on reliability, what it means and how to talk about it in your IA. So reliability, one way of thinking about it is that in terms of repeatability, when you repeated the experiment, keeping all the control variables the same, how close were your results to each other? Okay, so if they're close together, that means it's reliable. If they're far apart, it is not reliable. Now, don't use absolute terms with this like I just did. We've got grades, very reliable, quite reliable, low reliability, not very reliable. So please use qualifiers when you're doing this. Okay, so I've put two sets of results here to use as kind of an example. For my first set of results here, you can see that when we repeated it, they were all very close together, which means that that was reliable. When we repeated it, we've got similar results, and that has a range of, now range would be the maximum minus the minimum, so this minus this, we've got a range of 0.2 centimeters cubed. For my other one, I've kind of over exaggerated, but if I do max minus min on this one, we get a range of 11 cubic centimeters. So I've done the extreme. We have something that has reliable and then very low reliability. One way to look at it is to do the range, and when you're plotting your graph, if you do this, please make it clear that this is what you're using for your error bars. You can use that to show on your error bars. If you put the range over 2, it will make it clear for someone who's looking at your data. If you have small error bars as opposed to large error bars, or depending on your data, potentially you could be plotting all of your data, and if it's not reliable, it will have a large spread, and if it is reliable, all your data points will be close to your line of best fit. Okay, now what this also tells you or kind of informs you is about your random errors. So reliability is linked to random errors. Okay, and random errors can arise from control variables not really being that well controlled or being inherently random, especially if you're using something like plants or food. You've no idea how it's been kind of looked after before you've got